Hi friends, I am Ashwini Kumar Bansal, a Vastu consultant and a civil engineer by profession. In this lecture, I am going to tell you how to hang and what to hang in Vastu friendly interiors. So first of all, whatever you want to hang and it is an auspicious thing, auspicious image, okay, so it should be towards your front side. First choice is towards your front side, then it is on your right hand side, third one is towards your left hand side, and it should never be towards your back side, okay. But if you are lefty, if you work with your left hand, the second option can be towards your left side and third towards your right side. First option is towards your front side. It should always be adhered to, and never place any article which you want to see towards your back side, okay. And then if there is an option that you can place it towards your front side or towards your right side, but towards your right side it is north direction and towards your front side it is west direction, then better you hang it towards your right side. Means directions should also be considered. Generally north and east directions are considered good. Now if you want to hang many pictures, okay, then what should be the arrangement? So here I am showing you, we have arranged three pictures. The first one, the lowermost, okay, towards your left hand side, then the second one is somewhat higher to it, and third one is highermost. So it makes a ascending line, like in the staircase. When you ascend staircase, okay, when you go upstairs, then it makes a ascending dynamic line, and it is considered auspicious because we write from left to right. Whether you write English, whether you write Sanskrit, whether you write Hindi or Punjabi, we always start from the left hand side and go towards the right hand side. So it is in our psyche. So ascending line, even in writing also, in graphology also, is considered auspicious. The person is optimistic. And the second case I am showing you, where towards the left hand side the first painting is on the higher side, and then the second one is lower than it, and the third one is lowest. So it makes a descending dynamic line. Diagonal lines are called dynamic lines, Skriya rekhaएं, in interior designing, okay. So what will be the effects? In the first case, when you have an ascending line, it gives growth and progress, vriddhi, unnati, rise, advancement, improvement, evolution. But in the second case, when the line is descending, it gives decay, regression, deterioration, fall, retreat, degradation and devolution. So it's not considered good. So never go for descending line, always go for ascending line. You will start from the left hand side, okay. The second one should be somewhat higher, at least somewhat higher than the first one. Likewise, you can use it in writing your house number also. It can be used in the number plate of your house also. Suppose your house number is 347. So when you write 3, 4 should be somewhat higher than 3. The lower level of 3, 4 should be somewhat higher, and 7 should still be higher than 4. It makes an ascending line. Now coming to which type of subjects we should choose for paintings, for photographs, for pictures or any other symbols, idols, etc., etc. So according to Vastu, there are 5 subjects which are considered most auspicious throughout the world, even throughout the world, not only in India, everywhere. The first one is the picture, painting or photo of rising sun. This is considered always good. With the rising sun, a new day starts, a new tithi starts in Vedic astrology. We are born again. Okay. Then the second flower of any plant, any tree is considered good. Flower is the essence of that tree or plant. Even a datura flower is considered good. Though we know that we consider rose or lotus as auspicious flowers, but any flower is good. Then the third picture painting can be of the child of any animal, any bird, any human being is considered auspicious. It is said ना कि बच्चे में भगवान बसता है. A child is like God. Okay, God is in full form in a child, and we in a mature age also try to become childlike. So in India, Lord Rama and Lord Krishna are worshipped in their child form. It is very much popular. Then fourth picture or painting can be of a healthy and beautiful human being. Any human being, maybe man or woman, who is healthy, who is beautiful. The picture or painting or photograph of that person is considered very auspicious. Fifth thing which is considered very auspicious in Vastu, okay, is Vastu friendly construction, Vastu Sammat Nirman. Any construction which is Vastu friendly, like a picture of you can say Lotus Temple or Akshardham Temple in Delhi, any other beautiful building like the under construction Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. So these 5 subjects are evergreen, and out of these 5 only 5th is man created by human being. Otherwise all the 4 are natural. That's why there are principles for Vastu Shastra, so that your construction becomes beautiful, eye soothing, auspicious. Thank you for listening attentively. Have a nice day.